Okay, we're gonna up the ante. Matthias, you give me a number between 1 and 118, and I'll give you 3 or 4 above and 3 or 4 below that on the periodic table.
Okay, let's start with 30.
Okay, 30 is zinc. It's going up. Gallium, germanium, arsenic, zinc below. 29 is copper. 28 is nickel. 27 is cobalt.
All right, let's do 78.
Okay, 78 is platinum. So 79 is gold. 80 is mercury, and 81 is thallium. Going back to 78 gold, we got 77 iridium, 76 osmium, 75 is rhenium.
All right, let's do something in the hundreds. How about 105?
105 is dubnium, 106 is seaborgium, borium, hassium. We were at 105, right? 105 was dubnium. Before that, 104 is rutherfordium. 103 is lawrencium. 102 is nobelium. One more.
All right, let's do 63.
63 is europium. 64 is gadolinium. 65 is terbium. 66 is dysprosium. Back here on. You did 63 was europium. So 62 samarium. 61 promethium. And 60 is neodymium.
Very good.
Thank you.